Welcome to Pantech Solutions. In this video, we are going to cover up clock pattern recognition for visually impaired people. Okay, so the first thing you have to change the path. So I just changed the path. GUI demo is the main file. I run the main program. Okay. So once you run the program, the graphic user interface pops up. Like we have used CNN for color detection, as well as we have used serve features for pattern matching and a CNN for classification of the pattern. Okay, so we are going to recognize color, and we are going to recognize the pattern, and we are going to compare whether the template is whether the pattern is matched or not. Okay, so that the visually impaired can compare, and they can know about the color, and they can know about the textures, and they can compare the dress. Okay, we have used the CCNY datasets. Click browse to choose the image, to choose the pattern. Okay, and click classify to classify the color as well as the pattern. The dataset has 4 patterns. Click once the classification is done, like it will be displayed on the edit text. Click browse to choose the other image which you want to compare. Okay. So first I'm going to compare the same image and click classify. Okay, click classify. So the output will be displayed on the edit text. Okay. So the first one is blue and the pattern is irregular. Okay. The second one is also blue and the pattern is irregular. Click match to match the patterns. If the pattern is matched, the output will be displayed on the edit text.
The input 1 color is blue and pattern is irregular. The input 2 color is blue and pattern is irregular. They are matched exactly.
Now I'm going to choose the other pattern. Still it is blue and the same pattern. Okay, irregularity. But if you match this one, like it shows this pattern.
The input 1 color is blue and pattern is irregular. The input 2 color is blue and pattern is irregular. They are a different pattern.
Okay. So you could compare with any number of patterns. Okay. So I'm going to choose one more pattern from a different thing. Click classify. Okay. So it classifies the color as well as it classifies the pattern. And click match for
the input 1 color is blue and pattern is irregular. The input 2 color is red and pattern is flat. They are a different pattern.
For matching. So if you want to buy the source code, or if you want to modify the source code, you could reach us by clicking the link in the description box. We also have MATLAB codes, like where we have covered up the basics of image processing, deep learning, machine learning, and a lot of steps on image processing as well as on video processing. There is a link in the description. You go through the curriculum and you could sign up for this course. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like to get the latest updates. Thank you. See you on the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.